Hi, this is Ryan. Thanks for watching the demo of my Bake to Root plugin. Once you download the plugin from the Fab Store and install it in your project, you should find it in the plugin list. Right now, the plugin is designed to work with characters and animations you downloaded from Mixamo, the ones that don't have a root bone. The plugin has two scripted asset actions, one for adding the root bone to a skeletal mesh, and one for baking the motion from the hip down to the root bone. In my project, I've already downloaded 3 different characters and animation packs and imported them into the engine. I'm going to select the folder containing all the meshes and animations and set the filter so only the skeletal meshes show up. I'll open up the skeletal meshes so you can see they don't have root bone. For adding the root bone, just select all your skeletal meshes. Then right-click and look under Scripted Asset Actions menu. Then in Mixamo, select Add Mixamo Root Bone. This process makes a change to the skeleton. And for each skeletal mesh, it's going to ask you if you want to create a new skeleton or merge the new root to the current skeleton. In this case, I'm going to just merge so I don't have to worry about multiple skeletal assets. Once that's done, the skeletal meshes, skeletons, and atom sequences will have been updated, so you'll need to save them. I'm going to include the skeleton filter so you can see both the skeletons and skeletal meshes. Then just select them all and save. You can see now that each character has a root bone. Now, let's move on to the atom sequences and bake the motion to the root. I'll change the filter to only show atom sequences. They haven't been saved yet since adding the root bone, so I'll save them now. I'll open up a few of the animations so you can see the root bone, which is just sitting at origin and not moving. With all the atom sequences selected, you right-click, go into the Scripted Asset Actions menu, then Mixamo, and select Mixamo Bake Motion to Root. This will bake the translate X and Y and yaw rotation of the hip to the root. If we now look back at the animations, we can see the motion has been baked. Make sure to save. Enjoy the plugin, and thank you for watching.